In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your bio in Threads. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Threads. After that, go to your profile. Then tap at Edit Profile, and that's where we can change our bio. To do that, tap where it says Bio, and then we can enter our bio in that text field, or we can just import our bio from Instagram. To do that, tap right here. That will paste your Instagram bio in that field. Then we can edit it, or we can just tap at Done to save the changes. That's how you can easily change your bio in Threads.